Hi friends, CAT is right there. You're just standing at the threshold of the exam. I'm sure you're going through a lot of emotions, right? Things like excitement, somebody might be fearful and scared. There's somebody who could be anxious, not really scared, but anxious. So it's very natural that you go through all these emotions. The idea is to bottle up all the ones that are negative, just put it in a bottle, throw them out, and hold on to all the positive things, because that's what is going to get you into one of the IIMs or any of the dream schools that you're thinking of. Now, a couple of things to remember when it comes to CAT. No two CATs change drastically, which means if I were to peg what could be CAT 2022, it's likely to be very close to your CAT 2021. At best, it might change by 10%, 15%, not beyond that. So which means 85% is going to be the same. And when I say 85% is the same, you will see that in that paper, at least 30%, 35% of the paper is going to be easy. All of you will be able to do it. Your job is to make sure that you identify those questions, get off with them, and then look at the more challenging questions. If you did this act very efficiently, I think you would really, you will find it very easy to go beyond the 90-95 percentile mark. That's number one. The second is, this is like a war. Right? There are 3 battles. It's a 2-hour war with 3 battles. The war is not won, neither is it lost till you win the last battle or lose the last battle. So it's very important for you to knock off all the positives or negatives that you have from any section. Don't carry it over to the next one. It's like, you imagine Virat Kohli when he needed 28 runs and 8 balls. And what happened? All of us thought we lost the match, and then magic happened. And I think that magic can happen with you too, as long as you don't prejudge yourself, right? Which implies कोई एक section खराब हो गया, ये मत सोचो कि अच्छा CAT 2023 के बारे में. You must banish all those thoughts. Stay positive, focus on what you can best, what you can do best at that point in time. That is what will get through you into a good B school. So with that, I want to wish you all the very best. I'm sure all of you will do very well. Thank you so much.